how's it going? I'm Dave the Shredder, and here's Rig Rundown Part 2. And this is my new rig. I'm about to show you. I'll get the flashlight so you can see it. Make it bad. Make it pretty cool. Alright, here, I'm gonna switch camera angle here. So this is the new rig here. This is my new rig. This is the Mesa Boogie Nomad 55212 here. This fucking thing has 3 channels, and it's a fucking monster. And it's got my 5 buttons. 5-button Nomad 3-channel reverb solo buttons. And I got my Rev G4. My Rev G4, damn it. My Rev G4 right there. That's a modifier. Rev G4, you know. But using everything in combination is really perfect. I've just been tweaking different levels to see where it should go and see how it's supposed to sound. And I still use the Rowland in combination along with these things here. And then I got my SSD drive over there that I plug in sometimes. But anyways, my camera's not on the mount, as you can see. Yeah, it's just that was just kind of a new rig rundown to let you know about my new rig. It's a tube amp. It's bucket sick. Anyways, see you next time until further notice or whatever and shit. Stay tuned for more of my videos and shit. And subscribe if you want or something. I'm gonna get going now. Till next time.